Good morning. Hi guys. It's another day going to the market. Gonna be doing a day in your life. So you guys should just come with me as I go around the market. So I'm taking the Trosky today. And I'm going. Being a brave girl and I'm going. Oh, thank you. I'm going all the way to Accra Market. Get the Trosky from here. I've never taken the Trosky from here before. So let's see what happens. So today we are doing a day in my life, going to the market and trying to buy what I need to buy. So yeah, see you soon. Guys, I'm not feeling too well today, so I'm not feeling too good. Guys, this is where I walked last night when I got lost. I had to come through this way, this alleyway, to where the Troskys are. So I was kind of lost and I came through here.
And we're talking in terms of few years, even months. I'm over Papa Gakokona and the way I am at I'm over Talabaga and I'm talking assassin show, lightning show, a show in the strength of the city, a show in export earnings. I wanted to talk to them. I'm over fellow. The star system for Gakonalo, the middle of we are very soon. Prince Kwame ya Okasa Edema Gold Bond and I hear to train and come I'm saying those are not very passionate. The video we have to Facebook.
So guys, the church that I went to back in the days is called EP Church. And I played a few roles, right, in the church. And the best one I'd say I played was being the prodigal son. And oh boy, I loved that role. The best part was when I had to eat this really, really nice jollof rice. Pretend it was pig's food. Like, it was the best. Yes, it was the best. Off topic, I'm here at the Kenke house to buy Kenke. Well, too later. Oh, Vuchi, that will be Vuchi now for 1 month, Emma. I'm concerned for. did you know? How did you know? How? Joe, Anya, you knew.
Hey.
Is it bad?
No, it's not.
Outfit of the day, guys. As you can see, my eyes are so puffy. My eyes are so itchy and puffy and just irritable. So this is my look for today, guys. I'm heading out. I'm hoping to use the pool when I get back. Depending on the weather, it has to be really hot for me to get in. So yeah.